Hi queens, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann and I'm just gonna intro this video. You should see me in a crowd and hopefully explain it the best. Basically, if you guys are new here, so sorry, this is a video you're coming to. The past like week and a half I filmed probably, I'm getting goosebumps. Probably 2 hours, like somewhere between an hour and an half, like literally could be longer than an hour and a half, of footage. I did an entire college week of my life because I asked you guys to shoot like the daily ones, and I was like, you know what, I'll do one. It's gonna be sort of interesting. I had like some projects. I went to Tulsa. Luckily the Tulsa footage did not delete, so you guys are gonna see that. But basically I bought this microphone. It came suggested by like a YouTuber I follow, and she said it just works super well. It was only like 30 bucks. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but anytime I have it, or not anytime because some of the clips work, but most of the time when I had this in, it was making this weird noise. I'll insert a clip right here. You guys, I can't find it anywhere, and I've seen it all over my For You page. But basically it was like, so all of my other videos except for the college week of my life, not all the footage has this weird sound in it. And then I would say probably like half of the college week of my life has this sound in it. So right now I've edited some of the parts that don't have whatever, but there's going to be a lot of voiceovers. I still wanted to upload this because it was like actually a super good week, and I was really excited to edit and get it up for you guys. And when I sat down on Sunday to edit all the videos, it's what I found. So very heartbreaking. But yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope it's still a little interesting. And yeah, bye queens. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of do more of a like chatty vlog and like a longer vlog because I've been doing days of my life. So let me know if you guys enjoy this. I also wanted to like branch out and do other videos. I just haven't made any videos within the past like 2 weeks or like a week and a half since I went to Dallas, or before I went to Dallas, because it's just been a little hectic. I haven't had the time, and my car is going in the shop today, so I figured, I mean, let's go. Oh, actually I did film, I'm filming today a video that you guys will see before this. It is a like playlist video. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna make myself some lunch right now, but before that I'm gonna show you guys what my pants are like falling down. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. Hi girls. Okay, let's get into it. Also have a package from my mom, but it's just medicine, I think. I can't remember what else I was like getting her to send. I think there was something else, but you guys, I'm getting better at not being so self-conscious with my skin and my hair, so kudos to me. Everyday battle, but today I'm okay. Will I be okay editing this? Who knows? Also, this is my new favorite shirt. I showed you guys. Did I? No, I showed it in a TikTok. It's from the brand Zella at Nordstrom. It's a really good athletic brand, like athleisure brand, if you guys are looking for something. And it's not like, I would say it's reasonable, like leggings 50-60 bucks. But yeah, this is Skinny Confidential. You guys know I'm their #1 fan. I finally got the ice roller sleeping bag for my little ice roller. She needs to be well taken care of, so I'm really excited. You will be coming with me everywhere. All right, moving on. This has to do with you guys. There we go. Ordered a new microphone for a few reasons. First reason is, I hope this works well. The first reason is I am tired of having the big, huge, fluffy thing on my camera. I just need a smaller one. I know it's probably not going to be as well, and it's not, I know it can't be as high as quality because it was way less expensive than that, or maybe it is, I don't know. But Brooke Michio And somebody else that I follow used this one. I'm a little shaky because I haven't eaten all day, so I should probably eat before I do this, but I just already have it out. So here she is. She's like tiny. Excited to try and see how it is. Also, you guys, I like don't know who to ask because I don't know anyone that's like a smaller YouTuber that has gone overseas other than like Devin, and she wasn't there for like a long period of time. But I'm going, as you guys know, I'm interning in London. There's really no updates to that. I still don't know like who I'm interning with and haven't had any more interviews. I had an interview about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I'm very anxious but excited. So yeah, hold on. I think I'm gonna like this because I can turn it either way and it's not just facing this way. But anyway, we'll see how it works. I can't really see myself on the screen that well. That's okay. First thing. Second thing, which I opened already and one pair did not fit, and I don't think these are gonna fit. They just look like they're gonna be too small. I'm not sure if they're gonna be high-waisted or not, but here, I'll show you guys. I don't know the name of these gym short leggings, but like 3 Christmases ago, I ordered them in like 3 different colors, and I've worn them out, and I really need 2 new pairs of them because the only leggings that 110% fit me well. These fit pretty well. They're from Target, but they still fall, and when I ordered the new version of these, they're too tight and they like roll over too much. So anyway, now I forgot I ordered this. It's a book that someone suggested to me, and it is called You Can Heal Your Life. So don't know if it's gonna be, you know, that worthwhile, but someone sent it to me and told me to try it, and I'm always one for self-love, you know what I mean? And lastly, little government haul. It's just the like free tests they sent out from the government. So glad to have these because I had to pay like $40 for my other ones. So anyway, we're going to proceed. We're gonna eat lunch before I literally pass out because it's 3 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything. I'm just gonna have a peanut butter sandwich and some guacamole and chips. No, it's random, totally random. I just don't feel like making a burrito or anything, so that's what we're gonna eat. Anyway, peace. Hi queens, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today is Monday, and it is 2:30. Well, right now, I just got back from class. I just cleaned my car out. I just had a random stuff. I made a few boo-boos. I like deep cleaned it too. So that's a bag of like school stuff and everything in my car. Clearly I'm cleaning out. I have to get my Aviator Nation hat out, but all of that is trash. Then we need to tidy her up a little bit. This is my congested area. I spilled my drink this morning. This is my congested area because I sit there all the time and do my homework and watch TV, YouTube, whatever. And then she's pretty clean. I really am working hard on trying to be more clean and organized and not have as much junk because it's crazy. I have like a floor full of stuff I'm getting rid of, and also I don't know if the settings are okay in this. I have that. All of this is stuff I'm getting rid of. I'm gonna send pictures to my cousin right now because she likes all my clothes. But you guys, I just like, this is as clean as it's been and organized as it's been. I don't know what to do with this. I have so just crap for no reason. There's bins up there that I really need to go through. There's a bunch of stuff in here that I need to donate. This is like my box of mental health and like stuff I've collected over the years. Like, so there's some pictures in there. I've just hung all of my jackets and stuff in here, and this is like as organized as it is. Here's stuff that I'm donating. There's Christmas stuff, there's random clothes, and there's just like boxes of stuff. But here's the thing, we didn't want to get rid of any of this or any of this, and this is why I can't really make this like a full-on storage closet, is because these are like these are the grand wardrobes. Those are all the boxes for moving and stuff, and we didn't want to repay all the money for the moving things. So anyway, sorry the lighting's so bad. Let me turn the light on. This was my office, like I said. I think that was in this. But I just have some stuff I'm getting rid of. Hangers, camera lens, some pillows, random stuff. And then I have my little mural here. I have this, which just has the most random stuff in it. It has like a face mask and a couple of these Ollipops, right? Yep. Ollipops. And I'm gonna shut this. This is from my old apartment. This is the guest spot, and I always take my like bubble baths in here, so I have my bubble bath stuff. And then I wanted to hang this, but I don't have any more that are heavy enough for this. And then yeah, I just cleaned this up. And then there's just that. I realized when I was cleaning, I don't think I've ever showed you guys like anything in my apartment like in depth. But this is my room. Maybe I have. It's a little messy because I have some clothes that are folded for my laundry. I have a bag that has medicine in it that I need to unpack. Those are some more things I need to fold. I don't know how they got all the way over there. I need to empty out my trash can. And then this is my little bed area. I was gonna make this a whole gallery wall, but I just didn't, and clearly I'm not going to now. But I love those prints that I have, and then I did that, where's my finger? That one myself, and I actually really like it. I didn't like it at first, but I like it now. So yeah, on this wall I just have this banner that I got literally in like 2016 from Urban Outfitters that I hung up. And then I just redid this little area. I put this is the other Ford Ruthling framed little print, and it is so beautiful. Like, you guys, I'm obsessed. And yeah, this is kind of how it is. I have some trash. Sorry, I have some trash right there. I have a vision board, and then this is from like when I was like 18 maybe. I got it for what I think maybe like my dorm or something. Closet is just chaotic. We're just not even. She used to be very organized, but she's not anymore. So yeah. As I go to sleep every night, I see that and I'm like, oh, hey dad. It's my dad's bin and stuff, and I think some of my mom's stuff is in there too. But also, like a couple years ago, I found this on sale at PB Teen, and it's one of my favorites. So yeah. Oh, and my bedspread is hi queens, like I said, lots of voiceovers. Just wanted to show you this outfit. I thought it was so cute. I made a full TikTok. I'll link it down below. But I just had on this Gibson and Latimer shirt with my Wild Fable jeans and my Dolce Vita shoes. And then I just had my Ray-Bans and these earrings that Kristen gave me. And yeah, anyway, all right. You guys, I just got this and it's not working. I don't know what I did. Lovely. Yeah, put too much blush. Anyway, I'm gonna try to Tulsa now. That is literally so rude.
There's that.
We made it. Ooh.
Literally everyone that
We
was
made
in there.
it. We're going to Urban Outfitters. I made my, I was about to say respond. What's wrong with my brain? My return. I don't know what's wrong with me. But literally this area is so cute. Hey, Miss Kristen.
Hey.
Zoomed in. We came to the casino. I'm so excited. I'm gonna see if they can do a little mocktail moment. And Marry Me was 8,000 out of 10. It was so good. I'm so excited.
She said, let me just use a
Gotta get that for the vlogging. Oh my god. A little mocktail. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful. Okay, 10 out of 10. I think it was the agua fresca. It's got jalapenos and fruit and stuff in it. So good. I got Mama's tacos, and yeah, this is what it came with. Also, always get brisket in the queso. 10 out of 10.